Yeah, welcome. Um, I want to make this video to show you how, if you trade, you know, indices on Deriv, how you can have um, your charts for different indices, multiple charts open on 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 your browser, right? Because on Deriv, this is what you get. You get something like this. This is the charting platform whereby you can look at what your indices are doing. And then if you want to have multiple of them and have like many of them open at the same time where you can view them, that is what this video is all about. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first thing you need to do is go to Google and type in Vivaldi browser. Vivaldi, and this is it. It will give you this, and when you click through here, it will take you to Vivaldi website. Then you need to download the browser. You know, I'm doing this for those who are on Windows, but if you're on Mac, you still follow the same step. You still download it for the Mac version, and it will still be the same thing, right? You download the browser and install it. When you download it, you install it and follow the on-screen instruction. After installation, you open the browser, and then if you need to like open four indices on one screen, like three or four as the case may be for you, for this one I have three here, this one and this one. I want to open them on I want to open like this one. I want to open VIX 50, uh, VIX 100, 1X, and then uh, uh, VIX 75. Okay, I want to open this one, volatility 75 index, volatility 100, 1S index, and volatility 50 index. So I want to open like three of these so that I'll be seeing what is happening to three different indices at the same time. Okay, so just follow these steps I'm going to mention to you about now. All right. Okay, the first thing you need to do is click on this and hold down your control button. If you're on Mac, hold down your command button, then click the other one, then click the other one as well. So you take as many as you want to like open at the same time, and then when you're done, right click on it, and then first of all, you need to make them separate. You just say start selected tabs, stack selected tabs. So as you can see, it is here. Three of them are here, but these are the individual uh, browsers, individual indices you want to see. Okay, so you need to repeat the same thing again. Click on the first one, hold down your control button or command button, then click on the other two, then right click, then you say tab, tile three tabs. So you can see I have volatility 50 here, I have volatility 1S index here, and I have volatility 75. I have volatility 75 index here. So that is just how you can you know open your different indices on one browser. Okay, let's assume that after opening this and you want to view one of them. So what you need to do is in full screen so that you can do your analysis. You go back to here, then you say on tile selection. If you say on tile selection, you do your analysis. When you're done and you want to still view three of them at the same time, then you still do what we did previously. You click on the first one, hold down your command button or control button, Click on the rest and then right click and say tile three tabs. So you'll be seeing, the three uh, indices. Okay. So that is it. Um, if you find this video helpful, kindly, subscribe, like the video and share it, and then follow, because when you do this, provide when next I do another video, you will be able to you will be notified and then be able to view it. Thanks and God bless.